Hello, my name is Megan Madrusik. I'm here with the University of Illinois Extension, and today we're making spiced carrots and squash.
You will need 1/2 of a small butternut or acorn squash, 3 carrots, 1/4 cup of vegetable or chicken broth, low sodium, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1½ teaspoons of Dijon or spicy mustard, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/8 teaspoon black pepper. Preparation: wash hands with soap and water. Gently rub squash and carrots under cool running water. To make the squash easier to cut, make 4 to 5 cuts through the skin with a sharp knife. Microwave squash for 3 to 5 minutes to soften skin. Let sit until cooled, about 2 minutes. While squash softens and rests, peel and cut carrots into 2-inch sticks. Slice squash in half lengthwise and scoop out seeds. Cut squash into 2-inch sticks and remove the peel. Combine carrots and 1/4 cup broth in saucepan. Cover and cook over medium heat, about 5 to 10 minutes. Add squash and cook for 5 to 10 additional minutes until vegetables are tender. If needed, add more broth to avoid burning vegetables. Stir in vinegar, brown sugar, mustard, salt, and pepper. Cook for a few more minutes on medium heat until most of the liquid is absorbed.
And that's how you make our easy, nutritious, perfect for fall, spiced carrots and squash.
Eat, move, save.